Imagine, you just got home from work. You put the pan on the stove, making pancakes. Oil on the heat. You open TikTok, one video, another one, and another. You smell it. You look up. Your pan is on fire. Your kitchen, right now. The flame hits the towel. Smoke. Your heart is racing.
And the first thing what comes to your mind is what to do.
In front of you, water, a lid, an extinguisher, your phone. You have 10 seconds. Stop. What would you do right now? Think. Your pan is burning. Smoke everywhere. 10 seconds before this gets out of control. You have 5 options. Let's go through each one. When you see fire, don't panic. You have 3 seconds to decide. Can you handle it or not? Option 1. You spot the pot lid on the counter. That's your move. You grab the lid carefully. You turn your face away from the flame. You place the lid on the pan. The fire loses oxygen. It starts to shrink. You turn off the burner. Smart. Cut the heat immediately. You step back and wait. The fire is out. No more flames. You open the window. Fresh air comes in. Smoke clears out. Your wife walks in, sees the smoke, looks at you. You shrug. You clean up. Burnt towel in the trash. Your kitchen is fine. Here is what you did right. Lid on, heat off, step back, ventilate. Result: fire stopped, no injuries, no fire truck. You handled it. Never pour water on burning oil. It explodes. Cover the pan with a lid. Cut the oxygen. Option 2. You panic. You see a glass of water. Your first instinct? You grab it. You throw the water at the burning oil. And then, boom! Fireball. The fire doubles. You fly backward. You get up. Your eyebrows are gone. Soot on your face. Fire is bigger now. The alarm goes off. Your whole building hears it. Your neighbor rushes in, sees the chaos, calls 101. You both run out. You close the door behind you. Fire truck arrives. You stand outside. You watch. The firefighter tells you what went wrong. You already know. Water on oil? Never. It turns to steam and explodes the fire in your face. Fire too big? Get out. Close every door behind you. Closed doors slow fire by 3 minutes. Option 3. You remember the extinguisher on your wall. You move toward it. You pull it off the wall. It's heavy. You've never used one, but you try. Remember pass. Pull the pin. Aim at the base. Squeeze. Sweep side to side. You pull the pin. You aim low. At the base. Not at the flames. You squeeze. White foam shoots out. You sweep left to right. The fire is out. Your kitchen is covered in foam, but you're safe. You call 101 anyway, even though you stopped it. That's the right call. The firefighter checks your kitchen. Your gas is off. All clear. Good job. You clean up the foam. You make a note. Buy a new extinguisher. Result: fire stopped, no injuries. Your kitchen needs cleanup. Extinguisher replaced. Keep an extinguisher near the kitchen exit. Check the pressure gauge once a year. Option 4. You look at the fire. You get an idea. A brilliant one. At least you think so. You grab the burning pan with your bare hands. No gloves. Just grab it. You run through your apartment. Fire spreads everywhere behind you. You burst into the hallway. Your neighbor barely jumps out of the way. You throw the pan out your window. It lands on someone's car. You walk back in. Your whole apartment is on fire. You did this. 3 fire trucks. You sit on the curb in a blanket. 3 firefighters stare at you. Your damage bill arrives. Burned apartment, damaged car, 3 fire trucks. Congratulations. You're in hospital. Both your hands bandaged. The doctor looks at you. No words. Result: hospital. Your apartment destroyed. Your car damaged. All because you grabbed the pan. Never carry burning objects. Moving fire spreads fire. Cover it or leave it and evacuate. Option 5. You see the fire and you just scream. Your arms up, going nowhere. 30 seconds pass. You run in circles around your table. The fire grows. You grab your phone. Do you call 101? No. You start filming for the views. Your neighbor walks in, sees you filming, takes your phone, calls 101. Firefighters put out the fire. Your apartment is soaked. Every second you wasted had a cost. Your video got 10,000 views. Your repair bill got even bigger. Always call 101, even after you put the fire out. Hidden embers and gas leaks are invisible. So, which option would you choose? Comment below. Lid on, heat off, Step back, stay safe.